Are you from France?
No.
I just think you look like a very nice couple.
We are from Germany.
Are you married?
Yes,
How long have you been
2
married?
weeks ago.
Only 2 weeks.
yes. Our
Honeymoon.
Do you know the newspaper Süddeutsche Zeitung?
I put the notice in that newspaper. I'm looking for a man, and I get hundreds of
Hundreds.
and he was one of the hundreds.
What is your favorite thing about your husband?
He is always curious,
Curious.
looking new and curious.
Because I studied architecture and that's why I look upstairs and not downstairs.
What's your name, sir?
Ingo.
Elke. He lived in Hamburg. I am in Bremen. We make a weekend
Okay.
for a time, and then he
Step
decided
by step.
to come to Bremen. But not in my apartment. He had to own it. We'll have a time to learn each other. 2 years
2
ago,
years ago, we bought
a house.
typical Bremer house.
And then we are together in one house.